Hey everyone, Pius here from Chugo Immigration Services, and welcome back to Canada Immigration Matters. If you are a healthcare worker, law enforcement professional, tourism or hospitality worker, or someone planning to move to Alberta, this is one of the most important videos you will watch this month. Between April 15th and April 27th, 2026, the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, AAIP, issued 185 invitations to apply across four targeted streams. This brings the total number of invitations issued by Alberta in 2026 to well over 5,200. Alberta is clearly one of the most active provinces right now when it comes to nominating people for permanent residence. With 6,403 nomination slots available for the year and only 1,849 used so far, there are still thousands of opportunities remaining, especially in healthcare, tourism and hospitality, law enforcement, and rural communities. In this very detailed update, I will break down every single draw from the past 2 weeks, show you the exact minimum scores, explain who is getting invited and why, give you the latest nomination numbers as of April 29th, compare the different streams, and most importantly, provide you with a complete step-by-step action plan so you can position yourself to receive an invitation in the coming weeks. I will also answer 18 detailed, frequently asked questions that I know many of you are asking right now. Whether you are already working in Alberta on a work permit, planning to move from India, Nigeria, Pakistan, or any other country, or you are simply exploring your best options in 2026, this video is made for you. Let us start with the latest draws. On April 15th, through the Alberta Express entry stream, priority sectors, healthcare, Alberta issued 50 invitations with a minimum score of 55. This stream targets candidates already in the Federal Express entry pool who have work experience in healthcare occupations. On April 16th, they held a dedicated healthcare pathway draw for candidates not in the Express entry pool and issued 37 invitations with a very accessible minimum score of 46. This is one of the lowest cutoffs we have seen recently and shows how serious Alberta is about solving healthcare labor shortages. On April 23rd, the Alberta Express entry stream, law enforcement pathway, issued fewer than 10 invitations with a minimum score of 58. Although small, this specialized stream remains open for police officers, investigators, security professionals, and related occupations. Then on April 27th, the largest draw of this period came through the tourism and hospitality stream. They issued 98 invitations with a minimum score of 71. This is a major opportunity for chefs, restaurant managers, hotel supervisors, bartenders, tour guides, and other workers in this sector. These four draws in 13 days clearly show Alberta's 2026 priorities: healthcare, law enforcement, tourism and hospitality, and supporting smaller communities and rural areas. Alberta received 6,403 nomination slots from the federal government for the year 2026. As of April 29th, they have used 1,849, leaving 4,554 nominations still available. Here is how the remaining spots look across major streams. Alberta Opportunity Stream, 331 spots remaining. Rural Renewal Stream, 702 spots remaining. Tourism and Hospitality Stream, 95 spots remaining. Dedicated Healthcare Pathways, 439 spots remaining. Alberta Express Entry, Accelerated Tech Pathway, 406 spots remaining. This means there is still plenty of room, especially if you work in healthcare or tourism and hospitality. Alberta has also issued 50 nominations for practice-ready physicians and 12 for Francophone speakers so far this year. Alberta is facing real labor shortages in key sectors. Healthcare facilities, hotels, restaurants, and rural communities need workers who will stay long-term. By offering permanent residence pathways, the province is converting temporary workers into permanent residents who are more likely to settle, buy homes, and contribute to local economies for decades. This strategy also helps Alberta use its full provincial nominee program allocation effectively, while supporting the federal government's goal of directing more immigrants to regions outside Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. You are in a strong position if you work in healthcare, nurses, care aides, physicians, allied health professionals, have experience in tourism and hospitality, work in law enforcement or security, live or are willing to live in smaller communities or rural Alberta, have at least 6 to 12 months of Canadian work experience. Requirements vary by stream. Step 1. Determine which AAIP stream best fits your profile. Step 2. Create or update your expression of interest, EOI, in the AAIP portal. Be detailed about your work experience, especially if it matches priority sectors. Step 3. Gather strong supporting documents early at employment reference letters with exact duties and hours, pay stubs, tax documents, language test results, and proof of ties to Alberta. Step 4. If you are not yet in Alberta, research job opportunities in smaller communities. Many employers are willing to support candidates who want to relocate. Step 5. Improve your language scores. Higher Canadian language benchmark levels can significantly improve your ranking in the EOI pool. Step 6. Maintain valid temporary status. Always file work permit extensions well before expiry. Step 7. Monitor draws weekly and be ready to submit a full application quickly when invited. Dedicated healthcare pathway. This is currently one of the most attractive streams with low cutoff scores. It is open to both express entry and non-express entry candidates working in healthcare. Tourism and hospitality stream. With 98 invitations in one draw, this stream is very active. It covers a wide range of occupations in hotels, restaurants, and tourism services. Alberta Opportunity Stream. This remains the largest stream with over 2,000 spots still available. It is ideal for workers already employed in Alberta. Rural Renewal Stream, perfect for candidates in smaller communities. 702 nominations are still available. Express Entry Streams. These give you the advantage of being in the federal pool while receiving a 600-point provincial nomination boost. Let us take some frequently asked questions from some of our viewers. FAQ 1. How many total invitations has Alberta issued in 2026 so far? Over 5,218 as of late April. FAQ 2. What are the best streams for nurses and healthcare workers? Dedicated healthcare pathway and Alberta Express entry priority sectors. Healthcare. FAQ 3. Can I apply to tourism and hospitality if I work in Calgary or Edmonton? Yes, but your chances improve significantly if you work in smaller communities. FAQ 4. How long after receiving an invitation do I have to submit my application? Usually 90 days. Submit as complete a file as possible. FAQ 5. Is French language an advantage in Alberta? Yes, especially for Francophone targeted nominations. Alberta issued 12 Francophone nominations so far this year. FAQ 6. I have only 6 months of work experience in Alberta. Can I still apply? Some streams require 6 to 12 months. Check the specific stream requirements. FAQ 7. Will Alberta hold more draws in May 2026? Yes, they have already conducted 32 draws this year and show no signs of slowing down. FAQ 8. How does AAIP compare to Ontario or British Columbia PNP? Alberta is currently more active in targeted sector draws and has lower cutoffs in several healthcare and hospitality streams. FAQ 9. Can I apply if I am on a post-graduation work permit? Yes, especially if your job is in a priority sector and you meet the work experience requirements. FAQ 10. What documents are most important? Recent employment letters, pay stubs for the last 6 months, language test results, and proof of address in Alberta. FAQ 11. Should I move to Alberta specifically for these streams? If you have skills in healthcare or hospitality, it is one of the smartest moves you can make in 2026. FAQ 12. How competitive is the Alberta Opportunity Stream? It remains the largest but also has the highest number of expressions of interest in the pool. FAQ 13. Does having a job offer help? Yes, especially for employer driven streams. FAQ 14. What if my occupation is not in the priority list? You can still apply through the Alberta Opportunity Stream or Express entry if you meet general requirements. FAQ 15. How often does Alberta update its EOI pool? Regularly. Candidates can update their profiles when circumstances change. FAQ 16. Is there any advantage for candidates with children? Family ties and community integration can be considered in some streams. FAQ 17. Should I apply to multiple streams? Yes, if you qualify for more than one. It increases your chances. FAQ 18. What is the best way to stay updated? Follow official AAIP announcements and this channel. I will continue bringing you the latest draw information as soon as it drops. Alberta is actively opening doors for skilled workers in 2026, especially in healthcare, tourism, and hospitality. With thousands of nominations still available, there are real opportunities for those who act strategically. If you are serious about Alberta or want a personalized review and assessment of your profile for eligibility to any of the pathways, send us an email at chugoimmigration@gmail.com. Our team will provide you with a comprehensive assessment and a tailored strategy report. Drop your occupation whether you are already in Alberta and your biggest question about these draws in the comments below. I read every single comment. If this video gave you clear direction and hope, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Alberta or provincial draw update. Thank you so much for watching. This is Pius from Chugo Immigration Services. Stay proactive, stay prepared, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.